sa gitna man ng daan.
Today is the final distribution of cards, the time where my grades would be revealed, and when the top student, the valedictorian, will be announced. This time I have to get the top spot. I refuse to lose him, not anymore.
Here's your grade. Excellent work as always. Congratulations. You got a higher score this time. Congratulations.
Okay, now that I've already distributed all of your cards, allow me to remind you of the following things. So as you all know, your graduation will be held next week. And since tapos na ang para ng card, we will spend the rest of your remaining days here rehearsing for your graduation.
And you know how our valedictorian. They will be expected to prepare a speech for the upcoming graduation.
I can't believe this. I lost to him. Again? After everything that I have done. The efforts that I exerted in class when it comes to recitation and reportings. You're telling me that all of those went to waste? That all of those are not enough? You're gonna tell me that he managed to beat me again and became the valedictorian? Good morning po, ma'am. May gusto lang po sana akong sabihin. Ako po si Choya G from Class 1A. Ang concern ko po is yung kay Jimenez valedictorian.
What did you want to talk about? Sabihin mo sa akin na anong nalalaman mo.
Hoy, Choyenji!
What do you want?
This is brand new rumors about me?
What rumors? I don't know what you're talking about.
Huwag ka namang sinungaling. Ikaw lang naman yung may galing sa akin dito dahil ako yung naging valedictorian.
Excuse me, I'm not that kind of person. Hindi ako chismosa. Kung lalong hindi ako nagbira ng isang tao dahil lang hindi ko na-kamusta.
Wala akong pake. Umangin ka na.
What are the rumors even about? And sure ka ba na chismis lang yun? Baka hindi. Affected na affected ka eh. Baka naman lang sa totoo yung sinasabi nila. See? You can't even talk. Huwag mo akong sisihin. Ito ang na lang yung attention mo kung paano mare-resolve ba yung mga chismis tungkol sa'yo.
Yeji ended up becoming the valedictorian after Nicholas, who was nowhere to be found during the ceremony, faced the consequences of his actions. About the incident, the principal assured Yeji that they will take necessary actions regarding the situation, making sure that every person who is involved will be held accountable.
Our graduation just ended, and I'm happy to say that I was able to finally achieve what I have always wanted, to be the valedictorian and to speak for the truth.
Congrats, Eddie. Ang galing mo kanina sa speech mo.
Salamat din sa pagtulong sa akin.
Ano mang ito natulungan?
Hindi, ang laki din ang nagtulong sa akin. Pwede at isang tumagal. Comments, that way. Siguro wala sa kinalaman. So, thank you, Yaren. Thank you for supporting me and always being there. It might be too shallow, but it's true that he's one of the main reasons why I found the courage to speak about what I knew. He was always been that way from the start. He's always there, somewhere behind me, always ready to support and comfort me whenever I need it.
Giliw, di mapigil ang bukso. Ang damdamin ko, mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, nagpapaiwating na sa'yo. Ang damdamin kong napagtanto na gusto kita.
I wouldn't achieve this much if not for the constant support that he gave me. So thank you, Jarens. Thank you for making this stressful journey of mine a lot better and filled with joy.
Ako'y nabihag mo na.